Hummingbird Spell Bee Class 5 2023. Questions 26 to 32. Select the correct synonyms of the given word. 26. Astound. A. Amaze. B. Astonish. C. Dumbfounded. Answer is B. Astonish. Astonish. 27. Birth. Birth means genes. Genes, not genesis. 28. Scream. Scream means exclaim. Exclaim. That means cry out or call out loudly. Exclaim and exclaim will not come. 29. Agree. Agree means acquiesce. Acquiesce means accepting something without any willingness but not regretting that. So ACQUIESCE. This is the correct spelling. 30. Kingdom. Kingdom means realm. REALM. 31. Cure. Cure means HEAL. Heal. This heel is heels shoe like that. 32. Delay. Delay is postpone. POSTPONE. Directions for questions 33 to 40. Select the correct antonym of the given word. Attract. Attract means repel. Opposite is repel. It will do not attract. REPEL. Option B. Rappel and repel will not come. 34. Front. Front opposite is back. BACK. 35. Descent. Descent opposite is ascent. ASCEND. This ascent mean different, not this. 36. Graceful. Graceful opposite is awkward. AWKWARD. Awkward means irritable, does not like, disliking situation. 37. Best. Best opposite is worst. WORST. 38. Borrow. Borrow opposite is lend. Lend means to give. LEND. Cause. Cause opposite is effect. EFFECT. 40. Capture. Capture opposite is release. RELEASC. This release has wrong spellings. And for the questions 1 to 25 has been given in description.